Okay, I'm in the back of the house, or actually the side, and the sun has come out, but it's actually setting coming through the trees. This is beautiful out here. This is gorgeous. That really does handiwork. There's our compressors that we're trying to keep clear of snow, which has been very difficult. And I'm trying to save our tree. Here's our leaning tree. That's the top of it. Hey, let's see, it goes down. So I've been trying to beat it with snow, or with branches that I've already broken off, because I want to save our little tree. It's our leaning tower of tree. Oh my goodness. Oh my god, look at that. That is just beautiful. Probably making everybody dizzy, but that's just gorgeous. And then there's the dumb compressors. Snow on top of our window. Our wood.